Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. And I was asking whether it is a regular language or not. Whether it is a regular or not. Tell me what you got. Those who are seeing for the first time, they can also try now. It's a to the power n, b to the power n. N plus m is even. It is a regular. Why? Because it's saying that sum is even. Its sum is even. How the sum will become even? If even plus even, then only even. Or odd plus odd. Yeah, correct. Odd plus odd, then even. So it means A is even, then B is even. If A is odd, then B is odd. So for that, I can give a regular expression. A star even, then B is even. Okay. Otherwise, if A is odd, then B is odd. Then always we are going to get the, so either this will happen or this will happen. In both the case, always the sum is going to be even. Okay. So if A is even, then B should be even. If A is odd, then B should be odd. Then odd plus odd is going to even plus even is going to be even.